Morning. Ayun tayong breakfast. Hey! Gising na. Shh. Tara, tara. Kakain na. So, day 2. Ulan. Maulan. Mukha na tayo. Walang bubong.
Hindi nga yung nagbe-breakfast. Uy, magpalit
Ayun na pa kayo?
Yung number na. Nakaroon number na.
3-1.
315. 315 saka 316 na lang ang kami. Ayan na yung mga ampun.
Nakita ko dyan kahapon, na-record ako.
Ha?
Kahapon.
Oo. Nakita ka. Marami pa tayong ano.
Maraming moments.
Maraming moment pa. Ano name mo?
Kevin po. Kevin.
Kevin. Ayan. Yeah, thank you.
So, ito yung breakfast ko.
Sige. Let's go. See you next time. Init na ulit. Let's go. Morning. Morning. Kaya sa left ka damaan, wag ka dyan. To the side. Dun sa side.
Here I go again, I'm sick of trying to pretend my trust issues run rampant. They say you'll find it when you least expect. Never knew what it meant. And still I
Pasa, dito.
walked right into my spot. And there you were with your headphones on like a dream come true. Hang me dry or leave me spinning it overnight. Just want a chance to make you dance like we're doing tonight.
Hello, kita mo si Coach Paul. Coach Paul.
Each other at the laundromat. You got a look that you're testing me out. I know it's hard to give in, and we can take it one step at a time. Someone like you don't come often. Still I walked right into my spot, and there you were with your headphones on like a dream come true. Hang me dry or leave me spinning it overnight. Just want a chance to make you dance like we're doing it tonight. I can't get lost like I've literally stuck in the road, but I'll bet you that one day we'll fall in love with each other.
Ano di? Ano kain mo di? Ano ba kaya mo? Kenny? Kuya Gads mo pala? Tulog pa?
Hang me dry or leave me spinning it overnight. Just want a chance to make you dance like we're doing tonight. I can't get lost like I'm literally stuck in the road, but I'll bet you that one day we'll
Video yan, video.
Tangi ka.
Amo na. Ayoko na.
Ano, lumayo na yung dalawa.
Saan na?
Nasa malayo na.
Hoy! Shh! Bahala kayo dyan.
Oh!
Diyan si Coach Tab. Ito ko si Coach Tab dyan, no? Si Coach Tab. Ayun.
Dami-dami tubig.
Coach Tab, yari kayo dyan. Sige kayo. Hoy, wala kayong life jacket.
Layo na!
Mababaw pa ba doon? Hindi na, no?
Lalim na yun.
Hoy, balik na!
Wala kayong life jacket.
Ayan na, ayan na. Hindi na kumaandar.
Sarap pala ng ganito.
Hoy, ayusin nyo.
Ayoko. Ayoko na dito.
Picture, picture. Oy, 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 oy.
Ayoko na.
One. Ayun na.
Kaya yun yung ginawa ko dati. Ano yun? Pinrofile picture ko na.
Go, go, go. Mali, sorry.
Kasi may sukat mo.
Parang ngiti mo na dito. Richard Gomez.
Hindi, si ano yan, si Maui. Si Maui. Si Maui sa Moana.
Ibang pose, ibang pose. Yan.
Maui.
Yeah. Tingin doon, tito Neto. Tingin ka doon. Yan.
Maui. Oh, yeah.
Muro Ami. Cesar Montano pala yun.
Cesar Montañano. Okay, okay na ako.
Surfing.
Paano ba? Ano ba?
Dapa lang, dapa. Tagal mo na to. Yan.
Okay, okay na. Okay, barbar, picture oh. Para
Ano, sige, no.
Teka. Si... Lumay. Nagtampo na yung paddle. Yan, sige tayo. Dahan-dahan lang. Yan, huwag malikot ha. Balance lang. Balance lang. Balance lang. Balance lang. Balance lang. Balance.
Palayo.
para wag ka muna lumutaw.
Matamahan si tatay. Sobrang calm ng water.